Good morning. Hi guys, welcome back. This is going to be a full session where I focus on my speed dribbling, attacking 1v1. This session is specifically designed for us to see a maximum result. There's a reason behind why I'm doing certain things.
What's up guys, I'm Bryce, Jack's younger brother, and I'm out here this morning helping him train. So hopefully we give him a challenge and you guys enjoy.
Anyways, on top of that as well, whenever we are training, I need you to pay attention to the sort of communication I am saying to him, like in terms of like man on time, left foot, right foot. So just pay attention to the details. With that being said, let's get into the session. Alright, see ya. To start the session, we're going to work in here for about 4 minutes, where we are going to focus a bit on some just passing the football, moving about, literally 1, 2 touch, literally just to get us going. This is the first drill of the day.
Yeah. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action.
So now we're moving on here. I'm going to focus on my half turn. Obviously in football we do a lot of half turns with the football. This is why I'm going to be doing this drill. On top of that, whenever I am doing the half turn, I'm also going to be mixing up in terms of coming to feet, setting my man and so on. Why do you check your shoulders when we're doing this sort of drill?
Because when you receive the ball, someone could be tight on you. So you need to know if you can turn, if there's space to turn in, or if you could just play it back because there's someone behind you.
Good. And what sort of information that do you give to a man when you're passing the football?
Man on or turn or time.
Okay.
So they know when to turn on.
This is the next drill. Ready? So obviously it's a bit of some technical work that we were doing, and it's still part of the warm-up basically. We're going to be doing that for 30 seconds, then swap partners, do the same thing 3 times. The next drill, you're going to be starting here with the football. Plenty of touches, different type of touches, in and out the cones.
Nothing is forever, you're so keen on telling me.
And again.
Yeah, everybody's worried, saying that I'm in too deep. Keep it up together, move on to bigger things. Chasing all the highs, 'cause I'm not.
So that's the next drill. Do that for 40 seconds, work up and down. Rest for 20 seconds, obviously change partners, then do the same thing again 3 times. In football we do a lot of some sprinting, decel. On average in a game we will do about, let's just say, 700 according to the research that I've just been doing at university. And obviously on here, these are some of the drills that I am going to be doing to replicate the sort of things that we would do in a game. But not only that, basically like injury prevention as well. So whenever I am training, I try to replicate the sort of things I would do in a game. This is why I am doing this drill. The main key thing where you need to focus on is your close range of dribbling. So be able to get low, dribble, and the lower you are as well, the harder it is for defenders to mark you and push you off the football, because you have a low sense of gravity and you are strong, and in a way protecting the ball much better. Anyways, take a look of what we are doing. That is it. So when it comes to dribbling, ideally get comfortable at using both feet. So nudge it, change your pace. But anyways, that's what we're doing. We are going to perform that twice, then change partners. We play the same drill 4 times. This next drill, on here I am focusing on my awareness. In a game, it's important to always check your shoulders, being aware of your surrounding. So this is why I am doing this. It is forcing me to be able to dribble with the football and also being aware to look up. Let's say that I am dribbling in a game and I've seen my teammate making a run in behind. Obviously, with the drill forcing me to look up, I'm able to be like, okay, that's my man there making a run. I can pass him the ball. So awareness. White, blue, orange, orange, white, blue, white, white, orange, blue, blue. So with this drill, you are looking to work for about 40 seconds, then change partners. Repeat the same drill 5 times. The first phase, you are sprinting with the football. Then from there, try your best to slow down, navigate through the cones, and then set your man for 1-2. Obviously, this now is kind of like in a game scenario. So the man at the cone is always working. So pay attention to what he's doing, and then also pay attention when it's my turn. Okay?
Shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience?
Inside, set! Come on. This is a harder pass. Come on.
It's not about elevating.
Inside.
You know it's not about.
Yes.
You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about.
Obviously in the game, you are always playing. So it's important, obviously there, whenever I'm making my run, I'm always looking at the football. And whenever I'm making my run as well in behind, it's not a straight run, I'm curving my run ideally to get in behind. And that's literally it. So there, ideally, what you want to do is literally just set and go, keeping the ball moving. Taking 1-2 touch on the game like this, it kills and slow down the tempo. Alright, so try and speed it up if you can. Set, moving. Good. Again, yes. Better. So, yes, my people, now we are going to focus on some attacking, defending 1v1s, and I believe we might be doing 3 phase if we have enough time. But for the time being, Bryce, you know when it comes to attacking versus defending, obviously I'm going to be attacking you. You are the defender. So what sort of things do you look for when you are defending someone like me?
So when I'm defending, I try to keep an arm length away.
Yes.
Because I'm close enough to the ball where I could pinch it potentially, but also further away enough.
Yeah.
So if you knock it forward, I could turn and reach the ball. Also, I should stay low, bend my knees.
So like this, yeah.
So I'm ready. So I'm ready to run.
Yeah.
Or whatever direction you're running at. And also, when I should jockey, so I should show you down one line.
Yeah.
But if you go that way, I shouldn't turn around like this. You should always be in my field of view, so I just rotate my hips so you're always in my field of view. So if you come in here, I'll do this, show you down one way.
Yeah.
But if you go that way, I'll show you down the other way.
This is why as well I want to tell you that whenever you are training, train with intensity, train with purpose, match realistic. That way you will see a much better result. Anyways, let's get into it. I'm going to give some tips as well when it comes to dribbling, 1v1, attacking 1v1. I'm going to give some tips.
Nothing is forever, you're so keen on telling me. Everybody's worried, saying that I'm
You see now the difference here, the first one and the last one. For defenders, when you are defending, get out there quickly. Slow down, show them one way. Make sure that if you're going to tackle, it's a hard, firm tackle. Don't go 50-50 like, oh no. Go fully like that, okay?
nothing is forever.
the aim of this 1v1 attacking is basically where I am 1v1 with a defender, an entire situation. It's like, okay, what are you gonna do? So I'm basically put myself in that game scenario, 1v1 entire situation. So for me, whenever I am dribbling, or let's say I am attacking a man, first of all, there's gonna be little things I look for. So for example, I know I am a quick player. I'm not really looking to use my pace just yet. What I'm basically doing is inviting a bit of pressure. So let him come to me, and I'm also looking at the feet. So as soon as, let's say, 1 foot land, obviously, now let's say that's his back foot. Let's say now, as soon as 1 foot land forward already, then that's when I'm looking to attack, because the momentum of him landing forward, he's not balanced. So me being a very explosive player, now let's say someone, a defender, lands and I'm driving past him like that when he's about, and I'm driving past him when he's about to get set, he's already off balance, so it's hard for him to adjust. That's why earlier, I'm not sure if you saw how he just came in and just fell in the first part, all because I've already saw his foot landing, and then I was like, okay, that's his weak side. And with me as well, when it comes to attacking, that's why I keep telling you, be able to use both feet. And when you're using both feet, it's harder for defenders to mark you because they're not really sure what foot you're gonna go onto. So can you go left? Can you go right? They don't know. So it's a guessing game with them. And when I am attacking a defender, I am also keeping the ball very close to me first of all. Nudge it. If there's space in behind, then that's when I'm gonna burst there with pace. And obviously always finish with an angle. The angle could be a cross or a shot. So always think about the sort of things you're doing when you're attacking a man, okay? This is going to be the second phase of the attacking drill, 1v1. So on here, the main purpose, I am focusing on attacking at an angle. So obviously the first phase was more of like face to face, 1v1, but now I'm going to be more at an angle. So what he's going to be doing, so basically just take a look of what we're doing. So, and I've also increased the distance, which will force me to attack him with pace. So obviously when I am attacking a defender, I need to slow down and decide which way I want to go. So this is why I'm basically just doing this drill, going at pace, then slowing down, picking my side. One tip, it comes to attacking 1v1. Ideally, I want to attack my man with pace. That way it's hard for him to mark. Whenever I'm also attacking, at the back of my head, I've already decided what I'm going to do. Am I going to come in to get a shot, or am I going to go around him to get the ball in the box, across? So it's also very important to work on your first touch. Keep the ball close to you, you're in control of the ball, okay? If you have a bad touch, defenders, they would love to just jump onto you straight away. But if you keep the ball close and tight to you, your chances of having a successful 1v1 goes higher. Also, whenever I am attacking my man, ideally, I don't like to keep the ball dead. Not always. I always like to keep the ball moving, creating that momentum. It's easier for me to push off as well with the football. Anyways, my people, that is the end of the video. That's what we just done for training. Listen, I recommend you do training like this once or twice a week. That way you will see a quicker result, and it's more effective as well. Whenever you put yourself in a consistent phase where you're just training, when you do that, gradually you will start to improve. Okay, so go out there, get a friend, a brother, a partner, go out there, go and start training. Do you have anything to say before we close this?
Good session. I enjoyed it. Taught me some new things. Hopefully I gave you a challenge so you can improve. I'll definitely take some lessons from this, like when you said, when you attack me and I put my front foot on, that's when they usually attack because I'm off balance. So I'll be more cautious of that. and I'll try and take this thing to a match and practice it.
Okay.
So thank you, yeah.
No worries. So just to summarize the whole session, what are the top 3 things that you've learned?
I learned about how important deceleration is. I learned about what I just said before about your front foot, about being off balance.
Yeah.
And I also learned about like how important your first touch is as well. Obviously it's important, but like even like in things that might seem insignificant to like using the first touch, like even in like little situations, like when you were playing me the 1v1 and I took a touch and it was rolling forward. Sometimes in a situation with the space, I could do that, but if the attacker's pressing me, I need to practice on my first touch about how they can pinch it. So,
anyways, with that being said, my people, thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel and you find any value in this video, like it, share, get it. Like I've said, go out and start training, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel. I will see you on to the next video. Adios. Bye bye.